What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be installing the M4 carbon fiber mirror caps on the 335i, and I'm also going to be installing the glossy black front lip for the front bumper. And let's get right into it, guys. No time wasted. So before we get started, at the end of my last video, I mentioned that when I went to pick up this car, when I took the car out for a test drive, the serpentine belt broke because the car was leaking oil from the oil cooler housing gasket and the oil filter housing gasket, and that caused the belt to wear over time, and it broke. And even though I could have told the guy I don't want the car no more, like I said, I ended up buying the car anyway, and he took some of that money off. He gave me a good discount on the car. It wasn't too expensive, but that's something that I need to fix. Even though I replaced the belt, the oil cooler housing and the oil filter housing is still leaking, so I got to get that fixed. So right now I am heading over to AutoZone to pick up the parts, the oil cooler housing gasket and the oil filter housing gasket. I'm gonna try to knock 3 birds out with 1 stone. There are 3 things I need to do, 3 or 4 things I need to do today. I'm gonna try to get it done as soon as possible. If not, then I would just put that in the next video coming up. But I'm gonna try to do all that in this video today. So let's really get started.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, right now I'm in the process of installing the front lip, the universal front lip. I got the car on a little lift I just picked up from AutoZone. I drilled the first hole in there. It looks like it's sitting pretty well. The next thing I'm gonna do is connect this front lip to the 2 side lips, and I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. Okay, I just installed the front lip. I did the best I could. I think I made a little bit of mistake on that end, but I think I did okay. Ooh. There's still room for improvement, but I think I did good. It doesn't stick out too far. I'm just gonna add more screws, to make sure everything is in place. It's pretty sturdy right now, but I'm gonna make it even sturdier. I've completed the front lip. Now I'm gonna do these. Those are not a side skirt, but the bumper lip thingy, I'm gonna do that next. I really drill the holes in each of them. So let's get it.
Three hours later.
I ran into some issues today with the car. I've been noticing that there's an issue with the rear suspension. The rear suspension on the right side, and the strut is completely shot, so I had to come and get new struts for for both rear suspension. But let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So here's the car. We're at New York Tire and Service Company, and I noticed the tires in the front supposed to be 225, but they're 255. And this is the bad tire. This is supposed to be 255, which is right. The back is right, but the front is wrong. But this is what I'm talking about. The gap here is very, it's lower than the other side. I could literally only fit like one finger in here. And when we go around the car, with this side, I can fit about 2 fingers in this gap. So the rear struts are bad, and it's supposed to be like this. I usually don't like my cars like low, like most people who drives like sporty sedans. I don't like my car low. I like about right here. You can fit 3 fingers. This is the perfect size for me. I have a front lip, so I don't like the car low, because that's gonna get damaged. And I have to spend like almost $500 just to get that done. So it is what it is. I just picked the car up from the shop. It's the next day. Yesterday I was having some issues with the suspension. This wheel was good. It's the other wheel that was bad. So I took the car out for like a 30-minute drive to see if, a couple of miles, just to see if everything fits well, or if the car needs any type of alignment. I mean, I could fit 2 fingers in here, but the gap, it's not perfect. It's not completely, so I'm probably gonna take it back to the shop and have them take a look at it, just to make sure everything is perfect. Because look at this, my finger is like, I'm barely fitting 2 fingers in here. So and if I come on this side, I can easily fit these 2 fingers here, easily. So I'm going to take it back to the shop, have them just adjust everything correctly, or maybe it's going to take some time, but it shouldn't be like this, because I replaced both sides just in case anything happened to this side as well. So it's better to do them in pairs than to just do one and just leave the other one. So that is basically it. Also, when I got the car, I painted the wheels black, but as you can see, paint started to come off. I don't like the way it looked right now, so I'm gonna like plastic dip this and clean the wheels. Very dirty. Clean the wheels, plastic dip. So I also got a carbon fiber mirror cap. This is the M3 or M4 style carbon fiber mirror cap. I ordered some black, glossy black grill. I could have just repainted this, but I like the M4 style grill, so I ordered that. It's gonna be here by Friday. This was my first time doing this, and I did pretty well, man. It's still on there like really tight. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna change this whole front end of the car, the front end, the back end, the fenders. I'm trying to just make it look like an M4, It's a little fun car. And yeah, man, that's basically it. I gotta get the car clean. It's kind of dirty. Gotta clean inside. It's you know, it's been hectic. I've been very busy with work and everything else, so I'm gonna clean the inside. Like I said, redo the wheels, repaint it, and just go on from there. But let me just take a look at the engine. Okay, engine bay still looks the same. Nothing has changed. Either next week or this weekend, I plan on doing the oil filter housing gasket and the oil cooler gasket and the valve cover gasket. I'm gonna have my guy Will come out here, you know, and do the job for me. Hold on, the train is going by. Sorry about that. I'm right by the train station, but Will is my personal mechanic. He's the guy that I call on when I need something done. He's very knowledgeable about these cars because, like I said, Will is a solid dude, very nice guy. Like whenever I call on him, he's there, man. He comes running, and I really appreciate people like that in my life. So yeah, like I was saying, these mirror caps, I'm not gonna do an installation video because it's very simple and to explain. All you gotta do is pop these out. I did it with my hands. I popped them out, took the old one out, put the new one in. I'm gonna list the old one for sale. If anybody interested, hit me up in the comments, hit me up on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram in the description or just put that on the screen. If you want to follow me, you could do that. Before I list a video, before I post anything on YouTube, I usually put it on Instagram, or TikTok, or Twitter. But like I said, there's plenty of videos of people doing these things, and it's very simple. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you guys. I painted the wheels. I put on the front lip. I'm going to do side skirts and rear diffuser, but I have to get a new bumper before I do any of that. And also the front grille, like I said, I'm gonna repaint. I'm not gonna repaint. I bought a new front grille. It's gonna be here soon, by Friday. And you know, I just need to, right now I'm gonna go wash the car, make it look a little more presentable. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If you like this type of content, and you want to see more of this, please, I appreciate the support. I appreciate everybody that watch, every comment, every likes. You know, it just lets YouTube know that you're interested in this type of content. It motivates me as well to continue to do this and to get better at it. So yeah, guys, like I said, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. I have something new. I'm planning on getting a new rear bumper, M3 or M4 style, and then diffusers, and then, you know, eventually I'll make this car look very, very good, close to what the M3 look like, or M4. I'm debating on whether I want to make it look like an M4 or an M3, so at least something close to that. I mean, the car is nice as it is, the way it look. I mean, it's just very attractive for a 2007 car. The car is just, it looks so modern, you know. And I said the main reason why I got this car is because of the endless possibility of modding the car. Like, you can modify this car, you can do so much to it, make it faster, you know, make it look newer, whatever. But anyway, that's it. I don't want to continue ranting, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Peace out, y'all.